Hello! To bypass forgotten screen lock on the Redmi Note 14, you simply have to go to the recovery mode. You can do this through the recovery mode, and to do this, you simply first of all have to turn off your phone. You have to power it off, wait for the phone to completely shut down, and after this, you'll have to press and hold simultaneously the power button and the volume up button until the phone turns on. And let me just show you how to do it. First of all, we need to press and hold these two buttons at the same time, and after the Mi logo appears, you will have to release the power button and keep on holding the volume up button. So let me show you. Press and hold this until the phone turns on, and right now you have to release the power button. As the phone vibrates, actually, as the Mi logo appears, you have to release the power button and keep on holding this volume up button, and you will enter the recovery mode. As you can see right there, you have the recovery mode. And right now, what we have to do is, unfortunately, we have to wipe all the data. That's the only way to bypass the forgotten screen lock. So let's press this, wipe data, wipe all data. And right here, you have to confirm. Also, to navigate through the recovery mode, right here is the instruction to use volume buttons to go up or down, as you can see, just like this, and the power key button to confirm. And yeah, so you'll have to wipe your all data right here, you have to confirm, and after the all the data wiping is done, you'll have to go press cancel and press reboot button and reboot to system. And after this, you will be forwarded, as your phone boots up, you will be forwarded to the first setup menu. And yeah, basically that's how to bypass the forgotten screen lock. Thank you for watching.